everyone, my name is Monica and today I'm going to be giving myself a quarantine hair makeover. Basically, I'm going to cut my hair and I'm going to blow dry it and let's see how the end result is. Just a little context on my hair before we do get on with the chopping and things like that. I'm not someone who cuts her hair very often. I honestly never go in for trims. I'm the sort of person who gets a haircut once a year. I call it my annual haircut. Basically, I grow my hair out for a year and then I go in for a lob or a long bob, chop everything off, let it grow for another year and then repeat that. And I actually skipped my annual haircut last year and I was hoping on getting my haircut in April because it was my birthday in April, so I thought I'd just get a new look then. Needless to say, that did not end up happening because of the lockdown and we are still here. My hair is absolutely nasty right now. So I'm going to start with watching a professional's video. The tutorial I'm going to be following is by Mr. Javed Habib himself. So this video actually popped up on my Facebook suggested videos out of nowhere and I saw it and I was like, it looks okay-ish, it doesn't look that hard. So let's get started.
Hi, this is Javed Habib.
Hi Javed,
आपके
the
पास
scissor man.
कटिंग शीट नहीं है तो मैंने टाली एक न्यूज़पेपर लिया, इसको बीच में मोड़ा और 5 इंच, ये देख लो 5 इंच और काट दिया। देखा ये क्या बन गया? ये बन जाता मेरा होममेड कटिंग शीट।
Okay, honestly the only thing in this video that the tool that I have with me that is probably not even that important is the cutting sheet. For some reason I have a cutting sheet with me, so I'm not going to be using the newspaper hack. I'm just going to use the cutting sheet. And just for starters, he's actually doing the haircut on a hair dummy. He's not even doing it on himself. So I don't know how easy it's going to be to do it on yourself. You know what I mean?
3 सेक्शन है सिर्फ, और 3 सेक्शन कैसे हैं? पहले बालों को गीला करते हैं। सो हम बालों को गीला कर लेते हैं।
Okay, step 1 is making the hair wet. So that's what I'm going to do. My hair is wet. And he actually says you can use any scissors that you have, though he is using hair cutting scissors. I don't have hair cutting scissors. I have these ones. They are, I'm not sure, I think they are craft scissors or maybe kitchen scissors, but they are sharp, so I think they should work. Also, he said you can use any comb that you have. I do have a comb set with me, so I have a variety of combs that I can use on my hair. Okay, I still have to watch what sections he's going to take and then I'm going to probably comb my hair. So let's see that.
तो वाइडर कोम लेते हैं और नाक से, देखा नाक से सेंटर पार्टिंग, देखा सेंटर पार्टिंग.
Okay, so he's basically taking a wide tooth comb and parting the hair at the center, so which is what I'm going to do. So that's a center part.
तो मैंने क्या किया? सेंटर पार्टिंग लिया पीछे तक, सेक्शन 1. फिर मैं आता हूं साइड के ऊपर, सेक्शन 2. पता है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब होता है ये देखो, ये और ये. उसके बाद मेरा सेक्शन नंबर 3. पता है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब होता है ये और ये.
Now he's basically taking 2 parts to the sides. It's an ear to ear part, so I'm just going to go in from the top of my head to my ear I'm going to separate that. I should have combed my hair. I'm just going to quickly, get rid of any tangles. So that should be one of my sections. That is one section that I'm going to take, and I'm going to clip it away for now. And then another section from the top to my ear. Yeah, I'm going to clip it out.
तो मेरा एक सेक्शन, दो सेक्शन, तीन सेक्शन। अब हम बाल कैसे काटते हैं? अगर बाल लंबे हैं तो ट्विस्ट करो, देखा, ऐसे ट्विस्ट करो। नहीं तो सिंपल तरीके से बालों को लो, जस्ट वॉच, बालों को लो और एक ही बारी में ट्विस्ट करना इसको, बस। देखा, ये मुझे यहां बाल काटना है और आपकी कैंची सीधी चलेगी। ये देखो सीधी, ये देखो, देखा मैंने कितना टाइट पकड़ा हुआ है ताकि मेरे बाल लूज ना हो जाएं। हमारे बाल मोटे हैं, देखा, क्योंकि मैंने इसके सेक्शन नहीं लिए, मैंने इसको एक ही चॉप में काटने की कोशिश की है। डरो मत, हाँ, हमें इसको बालों को ऐसे ही काटना। देखा बाल कट गए, आपको नजर आया बाल कट गए, कटने शुरू हो गए मेरे। और एक चॉप सीधे। अब आते हैं साइड पे, और जब मैं साइड के बाल काटूंगा शोल्डर पे खड़ा हो जाऊंगा।
Okay, that straight chop looks nasty on the hair dummy as well. What I think I am going to do is, I'll probably just divide it into two, like, basically all other quarantine haircuts that I've seen. You basically comb this section out, you put a rubber band at the end, and then you just chop the ends off. I think that sounds like a safer bet to me. डर लग रहा है मुझे। So I'm twisting this section down, always down. Yeah. I'm going. Fuck my life. Got it. Oh, that is not straight. It's not. It's anything but straight. Oh fuck. Shit. No turning back now. This is not straight either, so at least it's symmetric. I mean, the length looks pretty okay to me. Let's do the front and then we'll go on to the finishing touches. I'm going to clip away the section I've already cut, so just so it doesn't come in my way. Basically what he says is just go in a straight line and go for it, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's his expert advice, he can't be wrong, right? So that's my hair. I mean, it's fine if the front is a little shorter, right? This much? Question mark. At this point, you know what? Let's just go for it. I'm having too much fun with this. I should stop now, right? Ta-da! I mean, not half bad. I mean, a little bad, but for me, not half bad. My hair feels so much better. The ends feel great. The length is fine. It's honestly, it looks great too. It's not that bad. Other side. Let's do it. Do you want to see me cut steps in my hair? Ta-da! Oh, it's shorter than the other side, is it? Let's check. I feel like this is something I've seen hairstylists do to me to check if it's like uniform or not. Sorry, I keep looking over here. My mirror is actually placed down there. Let's see. Oh yeah, that is definitely not even. Can you see the difference? Yeah, this side is definitely shorter. But it's okay. You can just, the great thing about hair is you can always cut more. So, I'm supposed to cut this side. Let's go this way. Should I do a few more sections like that? Yeah? Or does this... I don't know. I'm not sure how it looks, but it feels right, you know? Okay, first things first, I should probably check if the back is fine or not. I mean, for not seeing how the back looks like, I think it looks great. I don't have like one stylist that I go to. I just go to like whoever. I'm not very picky with my hair, but once the haircut is happening, I feel very stressed at that time. I feel like, oh my god, I've given so much faith to this one person. I just met them, I don't even know them. And honestly, I've gotten out of multiple hair cutting appointments very unhappy. Like, I cried over haircuts. That's how much I used to care at one point. And you know what the most awkward part is? When the person who's doing your hair is done with cutting your hair and everything, and then they ask you, how do you like it? And then you don't like it at all, but you don't want to be rude, so you just politely say, yeah, it's nice, I like it, and then you go home and cry. Yeah, that's me. But when I'm cutting my own hair, I can't blame anyone for it. I have to be happy with the result. You know what, there's nothing a nice blow dry can't fix. So that's what we're going to do now. Final look. Honestly, In my 100% honest opinion, I don't think it's the worst haircut I've ever had. It looks great, it feels healthy, it's shorter, I don't know, I feel like I like it, but let me know in the comments below. And thanks Javed Habib, I guess. I hope you like this video. Do let me know who you think did a better job, me or Javed Habib.
आप देखो ना मेरे बाल कितने इवन है.
Thanks for watching. Bye.